How to add another card to Green Dot account. Green Dot allows user to add multiple cards to their account. So open the Green Dot mobile app. Log in with your username and password. Go to the section where you can manage your linked card and or add new card. Look for an option to add card or link card. Enter the details of the new card you want to add. Green Dot may require you to verify the new card. Look for a confirmation message or notification. Keep in mind that the steps and options may vary depending on the specific features of Green Dot platform and app. Thanks for watching the video.